Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to show you how to make the best manicotti pasta. Here I have my ingredient. I have here chopped garlic, all-purpose and complete seasoning, paprika and creole seasoning, black pepper, 1 onion and orange and red bell pepper, ragu sauce, ricotta cheese, 3 chicken breasts, mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and finally manicotti. Before get started, I am going to start season the chicken. Remember guys, I already washed my chicken with lemon because I never cook chicken without washing it because I love when my chicken look nice without any residue. I'm using all the dry seasoning you see. As you can notice now, I am adding my homemade seasoning. So if you don't have homemade seasoning, that's okay. But I have homemade seasoning. I love my homemade seasoning, that's why I am adding some. But if you don't have, you can just add the ones I just showing you. Give it a nice mix and let it marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. When 15 minutes is over, we're going to start cooking the chicken. In this pan, I am going to add all my chicken breasts to start cooking it. I'm going to add some water and salt. Make sure to add water to let it cook for at least 30 minutes because remember the chicken is supposed to be well cooked. After adding some salt, we are going to cover it and let it cook because we are going to shred the chicken. Is supposed to be well cooked. While the chicken cooking, in a separate pan, I am going to start cooking the pasta. As you can see, I am going to start cooking the pasta. When it's cooked for 7 minutes, I am going to set it aside. And then I am starting to shred the chicken. Give it a nice shred. Remember, it's for the stuffing. It's not supposed to be, big. It's so nice. After that, I am adding the ricotta and my other ingredient, onion and bell peppers. Remember to give it a nice mix until they are combined together. Don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up for more recipe. Now guys, it's done and nice. It's time for the stuffing. But before that, I am adding the Parmesan cheese. As you know already, Parmesan is so good on pasta. That's why I'm using Parmesan cheese. And I will give it a quick mix before starting the stuffing. And now I am adding the ragu sauce in the bottom. You can add as many as you want. So, and you can use a bigger pan because of I I feel like I was using a smaller one. So use a bigger pan for your pasta to make your life easier, guys. So now it's time for the stuffing. As you can see, I am taking some of the chicken and start stuffing the pasta. Guys, that I know you can't wait to see the result. This is the best pasta I have ever made. With the chicken breast, that's so good. You can try it, guys, and remember to let me know in the comment below how was it. And then I am going to add the measurement on the description box. You don't have to worry about how much to add. I'm going to add everything I'm using in the description box below. So guys, while I am doing the stuffing, I preheat the oven for 350 degrees before adding the pasta and let it cook for 30 minutes. Remember, preheat the oven for 350 degrees and for 30 minutes cooking. Mozzarella cheese on top of the pasta. I am done. I am done with the stuffing, and now we are going to add the mozzarella cheese on top of it, and then adding some more ragu sauce. Oh guys, I can't wait to show you the result. I am sure after watching this video you are going to cook it right away. God, that's so yummy, so juicy, and so cheesy. But remember to leave me a comment if you try it. Just leave me a comment, and remember guys, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Let's spread the ragu all over the cheese. I love the taste of the ragu sauce, guys, and adding some Parmesan cheese on top of it. Parmesan cheese gives so much flavor. I love Parmesan cheese, guys. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Guys, look at this. So cheesy and juicy. Oh my god, and it tastes so good. It got so much flavor. You see this? Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the box below. See you to another video. Bye.